Okay, so here we're working with composite shapes. They're composite shapes because they're made up of a composite of the other shapes we already know how to find the area of. So what you need to do is you need to be able to split this into shapes that you can find the area of. Now what some people do, they'll split it off into a rectangle across here because that seems nice and easy, but then you're also going to have to split to another rectangle and triangle and just making more work for yourself. So generally the bigger rectangles you can make, the less shapes you will have to find. So if I split this down here, and drawing a dotted line in is always a good idea. I've then got this one larger rectangle over here, I've got this triangle made down the bottom, and I've got this third rectangle missing from here. Now we need to know the side lengths that we've got. So this rectangle here is 7 by 9, that's going to be easy to find the area of. Rectangle 3 by 4 is going to be easy to find the area of, but we also need the triangle. We need to know the base and the height of the triangle. Now if this is 9 centimetres all the way up here, and there's 4 centimetres missing to there, this part here is going to have to be 5 centimetres, because this 5 centimetres and this 4 centimetres has to equal this 9 centimetres. And the same thing down here, if it's 10 centimetres all the way across and it's 7 centimetres to here, well this leftover bit has to be 3 centimetres. To make 10 centimetres all the way across with 7, you needed the other 3. Now the best way to do this is go through and draw what you did. Now you can label them. Some people will say rectangle, big rectangle, little rectangle. I find just doing the number the quickest and easiest way to get it. And the area of a rectangle was length times width, which is 9 times 7, which is 63. Second rectangle, we'll do the triangle next. So triangle 2 was a half of base times height for the formula for a triangle, which is a half of base is 3, height is 5, so we're looking at a half of 15, which means we're looking at 7.5. Shape 3 is a rectangle, so we want length times width, which had a length of 4 and a width of 3. Doesn't matter which one I call length and width, because if you turn it on its side they're still the same numbers, which gives us 12. Now once you've got every shape, if you've got two shapes added together, so if this white piece wasn't there, if I had this first rectangle and this second rectangle, I've got one plus the other, so what you do is you do shape 1 plus shape 2. Now in this particular case this part is missing, so it's taken away from the whole shape, so altogether I've got shape 1 plus shape 2, but I've got shape 3 missing, so shape 3 is taken away. So you do shape 1 plus shape 2, take away shape 3. So that will look like 63 plus 7.5, take away 12, which gives you 70.5, take away 12, which will be 58.5, and its area, so it is centimetres squared. Just fix that up, 58.5.